In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon wish list for teachers step by step. Imagine having a centralized place where you can manage all your classroom needs, making it easy for students, parents, or anyone interested in supporting your classroom to contribute. Let's dive right in and start with the basics. First, head over to Amazon.com and ensure you're signed in to your Amazon account. If you aren't already, click on the Hello prompt located on the upper right of the page to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Accounts and Lists option. Here, you'll see several options, but your destination is Create a List. Click on that and you're presented with the opportunity to create your new wish list. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your list. Consider something descriptive like Science Class Supplies, as this helps both you and others identify the list's purpose instantly. After you've entered the name, go ahead and click Create. Now your list is ready to be customized. For more options, you'll see three dots, often referred to as the menu or options icon. Click on them to manage various list settings, which we'll explore in a moment. You can change the name of your wish list if you ever decide to, and perhaps more importantly, set the privacy settings. You can make your list either shared or private. Shared allows others to see the list and potentially contribute, while private keeps it between you and anyone you specifically invite. Another nifty feature is integrating with Alexa. You can manage your wish list using Alexa, which can add items for you based on your voice commands. Now, moving further down, you'll need to specify what the list is for. A simple choice of you helps Amazon categorize for better suggestions. Be sure to add a recipient by entering their email address and even a birthday if you wish, which caters to personalized touches. Don't forget to add a shipping address, the crucial detail to make sure items arrive directly where they are needed. You can also decide whether you'd like to keep purchased items on the list or not. This option is useful for keeping track without accidentally duplicating requests. Now it's time to click Save Changes to secure all your settings. With your list set up, use the Amazon search bar to find educational supplies. For example, type in Science Book, find a suitable option, select it, and add it to your wish list by scrolling down and clicking Add to List. Once your list is populated, you may want to share it. Simply click on the share icon located on your wishlist page and then decide how you'd like to share it. You can invite others via email, copy a shareable link, or even invite someone directly to view and contribute to your wishlist. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up an Amazon wishlist tailored for teachers. This method makes managing and sharing your classroom needs seamless and organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.